Green color, blue color, orange color, yellow color, pink color, white color, orange color. A soldier's salute, a Memorial Day story. Once upon a time, on a sunny afternoon, a little boy named Tommy was sitting with his art supplies, ready to color a beautiful picture. But this wasn't just any picture, it was a picture of a brave soldier, standing tall and saluting the American flag. Tommy had been learning about Memorial Day in school, a special day when we remember all the soldiers who served and gave their lives to keep us safe. He wanted to make sure he colored this picture beautifully, just like how the soldiers deserve to be honored. As Tommy began coloring the soldier's green helmet, he thought about the bravery it takes to be a soldier. He colored the flag with bright red, white, and blue, remembering how it waves proudly high in the sky. Symbolizing freedom and courage. Beside the soldier, Tommy colored the gravestone green, showing respect for all the heroes who are no longer with us. He even drew a little flower near the gravestone, symbolizing peace and remembrance. Tommy remembered that Memorial Day wasn't just about having a fun day off. It was about thinking of those who gave everything so we could be free. He saluted, just like the soldier in his drawing, to show his respect. And as Tommy finished coloring, he realized that each crayon stroke was his way of saying thank you to all the soldiers past and present. And that was the most important thing he could do that day. Bye-bye.